Welcome back. Well, we do have some rain chances in the forecast, but not really enough to put a dent in the dry conditions we've seen since the last few weeks of March. And temperatures warming up today, got up to 86 degrees, the warmest day so far for 2025. But we know we're going to be beating that probably by this weekend as well. I'm thinking upper 80s for Saturday and Sunday. So let's get to it and try to kind of hash it out. Right now, we have very weak subtropical jet stream that is going across Mexico and then taking a little bit of a left turn coming up across the Gulf Coast, and that's been igniting showers and some storms across the area during the course of the last couple of days. Mostly it's been back toward Texas. Today it shifted eastward, and we might see another disturbance or two doing the same for tomorrow, and also it looks like for Wednesday as well. All the big weather up across the northern tier of states, but this lingering little frontal trough interacting with very weak disturbances will probably produce more scattered showers and a few thunderstorms tomorrow, but we're not worried about severe weather, nor are we caring about the threat of heavy rainfall at this point. But there have been some locally heavy rains across portions of eastern Louisiana this afternoon. That's where the storms are most concentrated. Activity was really cooking along the upper Texas coast. That feature is moving eastward and may destabilize the atmosphere a little bit overnight tonight and carry into tomorrow, which could enhance our rain chances. Meanwhile, some of the heavier rains north of Baton Rouge, they're not moving a whole lot, so some localized flooding. There was some localized flooding in around the New Orleans area toward Gretna and also around the Chalmette area earlier today. And then you can see heftier storms continuing across portions of Mississippi into Alabama. We haven't been using the radar much of late, so nice to at least take a look at Power Doppler 3. Lingering light shower diminishing now across Iberia Parish, right near the Highway 190 area, 90 area, not 190, just to the west of the Jeanerette area. So things should be quiet overnight tonight. Maybe a pop-up shower or two. Then for tomorrow, widely scattered activity during the course of the mid-morning through the mid-afternoon hours. Doesn't look like a whole lot, but we'll go with a pretty good chance. 60%, 50%. 40% would be a good call at this point. Our models, by the way, have not been doing pretty well at all, and their performance has deteriorated over the last several weeks. We're not sure if that's related to less weather balloons being launched or we're somewhere in between spring and a summer pattern. The model's just having a hard time resolving the situation, but that's the way we've been going and trying to forecast the last several days. Again, some scattered activity Wednesday does look to be a washout, and there's going to be some lingering showers around as we head into Thursday as well. Not impressed with the rainfall totals at all. The graph model going for maybe enough rain to wet the ground in some spots. Other spots stay dry. Some better rains and maybe an inch or two north of Baton Rouge, and then as we get up farther to the north, and then Euro indicating maybe a little bit more positive news for rainfall, but again, not a whole lot here, and we need a little bit more to saturate the grounds, and we don't see that anytime soon. Upper 60s to lower 70s overnight tonight. If we're lucky, we see the upper 60s. This morning's low was 73. 83 the projected high tomorrow, but if we do see more sun, it'll be 85 or 86 degrees like it was today. 70 overnight tonight, so warm and humid. Again, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Few patches of fog possible by daybreak. Standard spring forecast there. And then tomorrow, warm and humid day with scattered mostly daytime and early afternoon showers and a few rumbles of thunder possible. Not a whole lot of rain in the forecast. And as we move forward, still unsettled pattern with scattered daytime activity through Thursday. Rain chances toned down Friday into the weekend, and this weekend we're looking at highs going into next week, pushing the upper 80s, and that means that heat index will be pushing past 90 degrees as well. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up in just a little bit.